Welcome to the Backrooms, level 30. This level itself is known for its memory altering abilities, the presence of memory lurkers, and its distorted nature. Level 30 resembles a large daytime skybox with clusters of islands inside. The islands are around 2,000 square miles in size and around 100 square miles apart from each other. These islands are always flat with thin gray surface above and some stone and rocks below. An odd function within this level is a memory altering abilities, making people imagine the entire level like a dream. How this occurs is when one interacts with a memory lurker. Memory lurkers are small squid-like entities that fly around the skybox frequently, often lurking around islands when a wanderer interacts with a memory lurker. The entity will grab the wanderer's head and take full control of their brain. Then it will turn the wanderer's surroundings into what a memory lurker wants it to be, which usually varies. The entities that appear here are exclusive memory lurkers, the occasional smiler, wormlings that roam within the dirt of most islands, an unconfirmed sighting of the birds. Alright, so what is a wormling? Wormlings are small worm-like creatures that can be found in the backrooms. The bite of a wormling can remove random memories from a person's minds. In addition to eating a memory worm whole will revive even the most random memories. Grinding up wormlings and boiling their juices results in a drug called memory juice, an addictive drink that alleviates memory juice. Okay, I don't think we really need to go into that. That seems pretty self-explanatory. The birds. That's interesting. The birds are murmuration of small bird-like entities that hunt in groups. The birds migrate frequently, never remaining in one level. These entities blend into their environment by mimicking the appearance of objects around them as a hunting technique to avoid being spotted by their prey. Okay. Seems pretty interesting. Alright, where were we? There are no known bases, outposts, or end communities in this level anymore. Though at one point an outpost did exist, it is theorized that it was destroyed. Below is one of the many notes left behind by them. Hello? Can anyone hear us? Look, I think this is supposed to send some type of note about us encountering an entity or something. But listen closely, something is wrong here. The description is short for a reason. They don't know what is going on, therefore they can't explain too much. But we know something. We will try to remake this draft, okay? While I'm out. The outpost was destroyed by memory lurkers. Do not listen to them, they are under the level's many effects and trances. You can end up here through level 843 via no clipping. Exits are unknown. And then I noticed up here there were other revisions of this. So let's see. Just ignore the class 5 thing. I did that so it would appear higher in the database. There are only 2 entities here, memory lurkers and the level itself. Yeah, this level is an entity, but I'll go into that later. So I'm currently on a dark ass island with a lot of bridges clipping into each other. Odd, I know, but this is the backrooms. They seem to lead to other areas, well, most of them. So I saw led to the blue channel. What is the blue channel? Okay, so that's obviously another level. I'm not going to dig into that because that's going to be its own video later. Oh. Some lead into the void abyss. Some I don't really know as it is too dark. Thankfully, I'm not alone. I am with two of my friends. We have weapons and almond water. I think we are safe. I will update this later. The memory lurkers are here. I forgot to mention they weren't here initially. They're kind of just standing there. They're just floating around. Some floated close to us, though. I managed to hit one with a crowbar, and it's just flopping around like a fish. None of us are brave enough to touch it, so we left it there to rot. Well, I think it's about time I talk about why level 30 itself is an entity. It's because it speaks. We know it isn't a memory lurker or an undiscovered entity or whatever, but it's coming from, well, everywhere, around every corner, behind our backs, in our brain. It talks about us, our past, the backrooms, our regrets, and the memory lurkers, which they call the gateway to paradise, can let us break free from our regret and fear. One of my friends got killed by a memory lurker. Apparently, one of those lurkers sneaked up on him and corrupted him. By corrupted, I mean it changes his vision and mind completely. He's talking about how it's safe and whatnot. These memory lurkers honestly think they are convincing me. They aren't. But I think they are actually convincing my friend. I don't want this to happen to her. This isn't good. I'm confused. My friend is acting so robotic. She keeps talking so formally with no emotion. Not to mention her expressions. Her expressionless face all the time. The short, blunt answers, you get the idea. Well, no, if we escape, I'm going to get some help for her and myself. I hope we can leave. Okay, now that I think about it, it is weird how everyone feels so fake. Is this how you would call it? It's so disoriented. Everything feels off. I wonder if there's even an exit. Highly doubt it, though. To be honest, it feels as if everything is 2D. I know it sounds confusing, but it's just so plastic. Like anybody could make this fake thing up like a puppet show. Something is controlling it. I think I need to get out now. This is all fake. Everything is. It's just like a VR headset. The memory lurkers are the headset. What is designed to do is what I am seeing. There's someone, no something, no human can do this. I'm guessing this is not the true form of level 30, but I know I am under a memory lurker's trance. My friend's acting so robotic, everything feels so 2D like. It all lines up. I'm going to try and find a way out. Alright. So what does the revision 2 have to tell us? Level 30 is an unknown level with two forms, a false form controlled by the level itself and the undiscovered true form. Level 30's false form is in the original draft, blah 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 blah. The false form is shown to people via one of the only entities that inhabits the level, memory lurkers. These entities can disguise the mind, making it seem like a typical level. These entities will kill you instantly and make you think you're still alive, which is one of the many reasons this level is a dead zone. Level 30's true form is completely unknown and possibly incomprehensible to humans. We do not know that it exists and will kill you if you make this, or we do know that it exists and will kill you if you make this sudden realization that everything around you is fake. The other exclusive entity here is the level itself, seems to clutter your mind and the vision with memories and nostalgia, which soon turns into fear and disgust. Level 30 is in fact an entity that seems to run the entire level in reality. It appears to be sentient paradox. like entity that can speak and adequately convince fake wanderers and rarely real wanderers via a trance. It speaks about the memory lurkers being the gateway to paradise, and touching them will let you free from regret and pain forever. There are no known bases, outposts, communities of this level. Okay, so there's a new entrance. So obviously, entering level 30 through 843 via no clipping, finding a glitch item on the floor on floor 30 within level 696 will take you here, and exits are still unknown. Alrighty guys, and that is everything for level 30, so I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.